How to rate drivers and give feedback in DiDi. Hello and welcome back. If you'd like to rate a DiDi driver and provide feedback, you may follow up this process. So you can open up the DiDi app first on your device. And once you open it up, you can go to the menu in the top left and select the option called My Trips from the menu section. And once you open it up here, you will be finding all of your trips. So you can locate the specific trip that you want to read. So just go ahead and tap on the completed trip from here. And then you will be presented with a star rating system ranging from 1 to 5 stars. So you can select the appropriate number of stars to reflect your information. And once that is done, you can tap on submit to finalize your rating. And after the submission, you may be prompted to provide more detailed feedback. That could be in the form of a text box, or predefined options. You can use that space to elaborate your experience, highlighting both positive and negative aspects of the ride. So you can just go ahead and do this. You can go ahead and do honest and fair ratings. The ratings cannot be changed once submitted, so be very sure before doing so. So if you'd also like to rate drivers and give feedback on DiDi, you may follow up this process in order to do so. So I hope this information was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.